Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to create this logo inside of Affinity Studio with simple steps, right? So if it's something you want to learn, something you're interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on post notification. Without having to say much, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is have my document set up. This is a 1920 by 1080, right? So I'm just going to use my pen to draw straight lines like this, right? So I'm just going to draw, and 1 point, I'm going to hold down the Alt key and the Shift key together while I drag this down here like this, right? Immediately I do this, I'm going to press Ctrl J to repeat this, right, to have an extra shape. So I have 3 lines here like this. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going back to my pen tool. I'm going to make sure I'm on the edge. You can see I have the green line as guide, right? So I'm just going to have that. Hold down the Alt key to duplicate this like this. And select the 2 of them, right? Hold down the Alt key and Shift to duplicate this 2 lines. So basically you're just dragging like this, right? Good. I'm going to keep it at this distance. The concept of this logo is letter K. So I'm just going to make sure that everything I'm doing reflects the letter K. I'm shifting this close to it. Okay, good. This is okay. So with this selected, hold down the Alt key and Shift and drag this down, right? And I'm going to go over to this and flip it horizontal like this and drag this outside here like this. Okay, so the next one, select the 2 of them and hold down the Alt key and move this closer like this. So this is going to be in this position. Okay, see, I can see that this is overlapping, so I can just select the 2 of them and use my arrow key or just bring them down so that it's within the confinement of the lines, right? So the next thing I want to do is I'll highlight the whole lines like this, and I'm going to go over to my shape builder tool, select shape builder like this, make sure you're on plus, and I'm just going to select this tool, select this tool also. So this is my letter K. Right, so what I want to do, I'm just going to select 2 of them, bring them out here, put this somewhere here, select the 2 of them again, go over to the shape builder tool and intersect them like this to create this. Okay, easy peasy. So I'm just going to make rounded corners, but then let me just do everything the same thing. So Ctrl Z for that. Highlight this place, hold down Shift, highlight these edges, then the last place here, which is this one, and make them rounded corners all at the same time like this. Make sure you're not doing too much. Okay, so I'm going to highlight all of this. Make sure you're not selecting this, just the lines, and delete them. I'm going to position this in the middle here like this, remove the outline and leave the color. Right, so I'm going to position this well here. Change the color also, not the outline. It doesn't have an outline. Change the color to this red color here you're seeing. So select my text tool and I'm going to type this. Okay, so I'm going to type this and make this bigger like this. I'm also going to change the font to the one I used while I make this smaller like this. Okay, I'm going to make a duplicate copy of this and I'm just going to make this, type this, and make this smaller like this. And under the characters tab here, I'm just going to space this out by changing the figure here. Let me see, 900. Okay, so I'm going to increase this. Let's say 15. Okay, so this is something I can work with. I'm going to centralize this. To do this perfectly, I'm just going to highlight everything. Select, highlight the three of them like this, and click on alignment and click on this. Right? And you want to make this bigger. I'm holding down the shift and I'm making it bigger. Let me do this again. I'm making it bigger, just slightly bigger like this. Okay, so now that I have this in place, I'm going to create several artboards to differentiate between the different aspects of this particular logo. Right, so I'm going to go and select my artboard tool, click on it. Automatically, this plus sign will appear. So click on this, and I'm just going to select all of this, hold down the Alt key and Shift key and drag this here to make a duplicate copy of this. Or you can use Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste. I'm going to make this smaller, like this, and select the two of them here like this. And this is the landscape version of this logo. This is what I'm trying to create here. So I'm just going to put this here and make this bigger. Ctrl Z. Okay, make this bigger the right way. All right, so I'm going to have this here, highlight all of them, and position this at the middle, as you can see. So I have my portrait and the landscape logo. So let me create another variation. So select your artboard and click on this plus sign to create an artboard below this. Click on this one again. So I have 4 artboards. Select this one, change the color to red. So I'm going to make a variation of this. So bring down here like this and make it white like this. So next thing I'm going to do is the basic. I'm just going to bring this for the letter itself, and of course I can start my brand guideline or brand identity from this point onward, but this is just the basics for the logo. And of course you can be creative with your own process and get your desired result, but this is how I go about starting mine, especially on this project. Right, guys, if you've gained something valuable from this video, make sure you don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video, share this video, so that YouTube can recommend this video to other persons like yourself that will be needing this video. Until I come your way, I'll see you in the next video.
With over 1,000 premium fonts, over 100 high-quality PSD flyer templates, over 700 icons, over 3,000 premium stock photos, 3,000 plus high-resolution backgrounds, 1,000 plus 3D and PNG assets, editable PSD templates, and lots more. If you're a creative designer, UI, UX, or web designer, the Smart Designer's graphics assets will make your life much more easier.